Every sunrise carries a quiet promise, a new chance to see the world with fresh eyes. The sky paints itself in shades of gold and crimson, reminding us that nature is the first and greatest artist. We often rush through mornings, but if we pause for a moment, we can hear life itself breathing through the wind, the rustle of trees, and the rhythm of waves. Art begins there, in observation, in awareness, in stillness. To create is not merely to produce something beautiful, but to capture a fragment of truth, a reflection of emotion, a whisper of the soul.